One. What is the
Yeah,
number?
what city are you closest to?
Sorry?
What city are you closest to?
Right now, I'm here in Ontario. Ontario.
Yeah, I'm in Fort Montgomery, Ontario, but what city are you closest to?
Very close to Brockville. Approaching Brockville, yeah.
Which direction are you traveling? Westbound?
Eastbound.
Eastbound?
Yeah,
I'm gonna
eastbound.
get you through to the closest services where you are now. This is for
Yes. I want to see that number there. I'm gonna walk a little bit, so you can see that number. Hold on, let's check it. Just a minute, car.
Well, just keep your, don't be, listen, don't get out of it. I'm gonna get you through to the closest services in the Brockville area.
Yeah,
Now,
please.
I'm gonna get you in the priority queue so you don't have to wait for it.
Okay.
I'll transfer right through.
Yes, please. Minsan pare, kailangan makita ko yung number na yun. Nakikita mo ba?
Yung 1,000 doon?
Oo.
Yung 100?
Oo, anong number? May mayroong number naman. After. Yeah. May number ka ba niya? May phone, gumagana ba yung phone mo? Hindi.
Gumagana pa rin.
Hindi mo lang i-text ng agad yung number.
Ito lang calling card. Hindi ko ni Jaira mo na.
Mas marunong kasi. Ilang oras na ba? Can you... Hindi. Yung Brockville. Yes. Yes. Yes, please. No, not yet. I'm here to Highway 401 right now. There's a construction going on, and I wanna see that number, but the guy said don't go out. I don't know where I am. I know I'm facing east right now. There's like a bridge behind me, like overpass. Yeah, and there's like a construction here right now. Okay, sure. Yes, please. Which one? Open the... Okay. Okay, how to do that? That's the text message. Follow. Like I have to type follow. No, not like that, eh? Oh, why? Because it's my first time this thing happening. Follow. I'm facing east right now. Yeah, I'm eastbound. I don't know how far I am from Brockville, but I know the next town is gonna be here is Brockville. I just passed by the en route. I just passed by the en route. I'm not very far from en route. Yeah. En route then, yeah. Yeah. Hindi ba on route na yun?
Hindi ko na.
Yeah. Yes, I'm here, Mallory Town. I think I read that a while ago. And I have two guys with me and plus one girl. And I saw overpass bridge behind me. Yeah. Okay. I think not yet. Yeah, that's only I saw there's a bridge there. I think so. About 500 meter from the bridge. I shut it off right now because nothing, even my flashing not working anymore, everything. My phone, it's okay. The battery about 70% right now. BMW X1. White. 2012. It's just shut off. I don't know what happened. When I yeah, it's on a neutral right now. Yeah, it's on park right now, but I can put my emergency, what do you call this, hand. Yeah, it's on park. They're okay. He never even modified this one. Can you bring me to Ottawa? Is that okay? This mechanic here. So I don't know how many kilometers from here to that mechanic. Hold on a second there. I just find it. I'm trying to find it. Anything. Parang hindi sila patawag ko sa'yo.
Visit.